All right, greetings, AG6IF, that's Alpha Golf 6 India Foxtrot Dayton, and that's Nevada, not Ohio. Taking a couple more pieces off the antenna. I thought I'd sweep it, and let's have a look. Here's where we left off. Okay, there's stats at the top, and I want to get the lowest dip here. Let's see here, my finger in. That dip I want to move up into 160. That dip I want to move up into 80 meters, so on. We're sliding the pattern all the way up the band. This is an AIM 4170, a C model. Had it a long time. Continues to work pretty good, as long as I keep a Windows machine running somehow, which is almost impossible. Okay, we're going to rescan this, and we're going to overlay a new stripe across the old one and see how we do here. All right, here we go. It's moving up to the right a little bit. I've got a lot more wire to take off the antenna. It's down to around about 880 feet now. I'm shooting for 2 full waves on 160. Being a multi-band antenna, should have a nice dip in all the ham bands all the way up. It's pretty linear, but not 100%. $30 meters looks pretty good. Of course, we're going to look for the next dip to come from the south there. Yeah, 20 looks pretty good. There's a resonance crossover right in the middle of the band. Resonance at the top end of the 40-meter band, but our SWR sweeps out of the band now. What I'm doing is I'm looking for, let me find my finger here. I'm looking for this dip right here to move on up into here, and I'll keep trimming the antenna until that happens. And ultimately, the dip at the bottom here, the 160 dip, is going to move up into the 160 band. So we just got to keep trimming some off. That was about, I'd say 15 feet. That's how much it moved right there. Stats at the top. Minimum SWRs in the lower part of the 20-meter band, 14025 megahertz. And the resonant frequencies are moving up as well. The purple lines. The green line's actually the R value. Resistance. Characteristic impedance of a loop is about 112 ohms, but it moves around, as you can see, from near zero to what's the top of the scale here, 100 ohms at the top. So that's what the R's and the C and the L kind of looks like. Got the C at the bottom. Ice is below zero, right? If you're studying for your extra Eli and ice is always below zero. And inductive reactance is top part of the graph here. So it's making progress. Thanks for watching. It's February 18th, 2020. This is Jim in Dayton, AG6IF. Take care, 7-3.